Defense experts have strongly refuted claims by Indian Navy Chief Dinesh Kumar Tripathi that India was minutes away from launching a naval strike against Pakistan during so-called Operation Sindoor, asserting that New Delhi refrained due to a fear of strong and decisive response. According to Kashmir Media Service, the experts described the statement as a face-saving narrative aimed at projecting military bravado while concealing the reality that India was effectively deterred by Pakistan's preparedness and credible defense posture. Reacting to the remarks made during a naval investiture ceremony in Mumbai, analysts said such claims are often used by Indian authorities to shape domestic perceptions and create an illusion of strategic dominance. They maintained that the regional balance of power and Pakistan's robust defense capability prevented any such misadventure. The experts pointed out that had India truly been in a position to strike, it would not have been halted its actions, emphasizing that deterrence worked precisely by discouraging aggression through the prospect of an effective counter-response. India's hesitation clearly indicates that it anticipated severe consequences, they added. They further noted that repeated claims of military superiority by Indian officials are part of a broader pattern of rhetoric aimed at diverting attention from internal challenges and failures, particularly in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Meanwhile, observers said that such narrative also attempt to overshadow the ground realities in IIOJK, where Indian forces they continue to face resistance from the local population, demanding their rights to self-determination.